When it comes to electric vehicles and clean energy, Tesla runs the show. Tesla has pioneered in developing electric vehicles that compete with gasoline-powered cars in range and performance. Tesla has also made significant advances in battery technology, creating lithium-ion batteries that are more efficient and longer-lasting than traditional batteries. Tesla has also made strides in developing solar technology, acquiring SolarCity in 2016, and launching its solar panels and solar roof tiles. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, is known for his bold vision and willingness to take risks. He has been instrumental in driving Tesla's innovations, pushing the company to pursue new technologies and products that have disrupted the automotive and energy industries. Musk has also been a vocal advocate for sustainability and clean energy and has worked to make electric vehicles more accessible and affordable to the general public. His leadership and vision have helped make Tesla one of the world's most valuable and influential companies today. In this video, let's tackle Elon Musk's investments, the Tesla Investor Day, the new Model Y, and more. But first, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in the luxury world. At Luxury Mindset, we bring you all luxurious information ranging from items, cars, houses, places, and even people who bathe in luxury. Not only that, but we also give you pretty much the amount you would need to purchase any of these luxurious stuff. So if you're interested in the rich, becoming rich, or even dreaming of lying on a mattress of gold or dollar bills, click the notification bell to keep yourself updated on this channel. So as you may already know, Tesla has finally started opening up their Supercharger network to other electric vehicles in the United States. This is huge news as it has been a long time coming and many people have been eagerly awaiting this move. Previously, it was unclear how Tesla would go about opening up their network, but recent leaks showed us that it had developed a magic dock that would allow them to add a CCS adapter to its Superchargers. This would enable them to charge other EVs when initiated from the Tesla app, which is fantastic. Now, Tesla has opened up their first chargers to non-Tesla vehicles, and owners can easily select the charger site, choose their stall, unlock the CCS adapter, plug in, and charge. The charging status is updated live in the app, and a charging summary is provided when the charging is complete. This makes charging an electric vehicle at a Tesla Supercharger incredibly convenient and user-friendly. While there are currently only a few locations open to non-Tesla vehicles, many EV owners are already seeking them out to give them a try. However, it's important to note that the process is slow, as Tesla needs to install the new charger type or retrofit the Magic Dock on existing Superchargers. It may take some time before we see widespread availability of Superchargers for non-Tesla vehicles. A Tesla owner in Silicon Valley posted a video demonstrating how to charge their Ford F-150 Lightning at a Tesla Supercharger. It's incredible to see how easy the process is. They simply select the site, grab the adapter from the charger, plug it in, and the vehicle starts charging within seconds. This is a significant milestone because it shows that Tesla has made charging a different EV almost as simple as setting a Tesla at a supercharger. In another video shared by MKBHD, we can see how he tested out supercharging his Rivian R1T. Another Rivian owner showed up charging their vehicle as well. This is a significant development in the EV industry as it could make owning an electric car far more practical for people who may have hesitated due to the lack of charging infrastructure. Tesla has announced that they will continue to open up their supercharger network to all EVs this year and next, which is great news for EV owners. This move will also help Tesla to rapidly expand its network, exclusive to Teslas, as they plan to open 7,500 chargers by the end of 2024. Apart from the slow progress, different EVs have different charge port locations, which could create problems at the charging stations. Tesla supercharger cables are designed to reach the back left of their cars when backed in, so other EVs may be unable to use the charging cable similarly. This could mean that some charging spots will be unusable for certain EVs, and customers could be confused and frustrated. It'll be interesting to see how this all plays out as Tesla continues to open up its supercharger network to other EVs. Other automakers may need to move their charge ports to avoid these issues, or Tesla may need to change its charging stations to accommodate different EV types. Wow, there's certainly a lot happening with Tesla lately. It's exciting to see new color options being showcased for the Model Y, even if they are currently only available in Berlin. However, it's interesting that they were also displayed at Tesla's event in the US, indicating that they may be coming here soon. It's also intriguing to hear about the potential for a refreshed version of the Model Y with the code name Juniper. According to Reuters, Tesla is looking to change the vehicle's exterior and interior with a target of starting production in 2024. It's possible that the rumored Highland project of the Model 3 could provide some inspiration for these changes. Of course, Tesla also had plenty to showcase at their recent Investor Day, including the latest version of the Cybertruck. It's always exciting to see updates on these highly anticipated vehicles. A lot are on display for attendees to check out. A video from Tesla Daily displayed the tweaks and changes in the newest Cybertruck prototype. This is a full gigantic windshield wiper, triangular side mirrors, and an updated black plastic bed, replacing the original stainless steel on the exterior. The bed is in its production form, eliminating some sharp angles. According to Sandy Monroe, the truck also has wheel covers, hardware 4.0 cameras, a roof rack stock, and one of the largest air suspension systems. The front camera may be part of the hardware 4.0 sensor suite or a front camera for visibility and off-roading. As for the interior, there are significant changes. The seats, center console, and dashboard are updated along with an entirely new yoke that is a slightly squared-off steering wheel. There is no instrument cluster display, but the prototype has a large center touchscreen that will likely be 17 inches. The passenger seat may have adjustable lumbar support, and the rear screen is likely the same screen from the Model S and X. The rear seats can fold up for more space. Tesla has removed the center bench seat in front for safety and manufacturing simplicity. As for Tesla's Investor Day, everyone was excited to hear about Master Plan Part 3 and Tesla's plans. Some people speculate that they would unveil their $25,000 electric vehicle, while others guessed they would discuss Hardware 4.0 or the Project Highland Model 3. Tesla's Investor Day started with confirmation that the original invite was a bunch of Tesla bodies. The event started late, with Elon Musk tweeting that they were running late. Tesla CFO Zach Kirkhorn spoke first, discussing how they would discuss macro and micro for their future Master Plan Part 3. Then, Elon and Drew Baglino came out to talk about the Master Plan Part 3 as a whole. Overall, they're laying out what they say is a clear path to a fully sustainable future for Earth. They went very in-depth on how dirty energy is today and how clean it can be in the future, and exactly how many materials and batteries are needed for this. They said they'll need 240 terawatt-hours of battery energy storage, 30 terawatts of renewable power, $10 trillion of manufacturing investment, one half of the energy required today, and less than 0.2% of the land area is needed on Earth, since solar is very efficient. That $10 trillion is about 10% of the 2022 world GDP, with zero insurmountable resource challenges. Overall, it requires less mining than the current economy. Moving on, let's talk about Tesla's Investor Day. Colin Campbell's presentation on Tesla's Powertrain was pretty interesting. He spoke about how they've made significant advancements in the powertrain for their Model 3, including making it 20% lighter and using 25% less rare earth materials. And the powertrain factory is now 75% smaller and 65% cheaper than it was when it was first introduced in 2017. That's pretty impressive. After Colin, Elon came back on stage to talk about the autopilot system and full self-driving capabilities. He mentioned that they made significant progress in their software and hardware for these systems, and that they are currently testing a beta version of full self-driving with a select group of Tesla owners. He showed a video of the car navigating complex city streets, making turns, and even stopping for pedestrians. He reiterated that the technology is not perfect yet and still has work to do, but he believes that they will soon achieve full self-driving capability. Finally, Elon wrapped up the event by discussing its company mission. He said that their goal is to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy and that they want to make the best products in the world while doing so. He thanked everyone for their support and encouraged them to buy a Tesla if they haven't already. He said that Tesla is not just a car but an energy company and will continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what is possible. They also talked about the drive unit, which powers the car. They mentioned that this unit doesn't use rare earth materials, a significant change from previous models. Then, they discussed electronic architecture, which is how the car's systems communicate. Tesla is designing its controllers more and more with each vehicle, and the Cybertruck will have more controllers than any of its previous models. This gives them more flexibility in design and software. Another thing is how they're moving away from a 12-volt battery to a 48-volt architecture, which will improve efficiency. On the software side, they're always making improvements and updates and constantly learning from their fleet of cars to optimize battery pack usage. For example, they're using fleet learning to create a roadmap for predictive air suspension for the Model S and X, which senses when other customers need to have their air suspension higher and automatically adjusts it for the next customer. They're also working on the foundations of an autonomous fleet management system for their future robo-taxi, which will help manage a fleet of self-driving cars. They talked about full self-driving, or FSD, Tesla's autonomous driving technology, and how it fits into a sustainable future. They mentioned that cars often sit idly when unused, and FSD could help better use them. Elon Musk then came out to discuss the latest updates on Tesla's prototype robot designed to do menial tasks like grocery shopping. They have multiple prototypes and are making improvements to the arms and legs. They showed a video of the latest prototype walking, a significant improvement from the last event. Essentially, they want to create an air traffic control system for electric vehicle charging to ensure no delays. They also discussed how they are expanding their Supercharger network to serve all types of cars, including opening 50% of their Superchargers in Europe and beginning to open them in Asia Pacific and the US. They mentioned their 4th-generation Supercharger stalls with longer charging cables designed to support electric cars with charge ports in different locations. They also discussed their plans to optimize their supply chain and apply their experience overcoming supply chain challenges to future endeavors. Additionally, they're expanding their Tesla electric service in Texas to offer unlimited overnight home charging for $30 per month using extra wind power. Tesla believes that this is just the beginning for their electric service and sees a bright future ahead. The event conducted with a Q&A session where Tesla confirmed the location of their new factory in Mexico, where they will build their next-gen vehicle platform. They also discussed their plans for bi-directional charging, simplifying their car models, and their exponential growth of their manufacturing capabilities. It was also mentioned that their next-gen vehicle platform would include multiple options, not limited to just one vehicle. Overall, the Tesla event was a deep dive into the company's plans. While there weren't any major product announcements, a lot of technical information and financial data were presented. The event showed that Tesla continues to push the boundaries of electric vehicles and energy technology and is committed to making these technologies more accessible and affordable for consumers. So those are the updates we have for you. Let us know if you have more topics you would like us to talk about. And stay updated by clicking the notification bell because we surely have more luxury videos coming for you only here at Luxury Mindset.